How to enable age restriction on your Instagram account? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before I begin, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first up, you open up Instagram, and in order to restrict age or put in a minimum age threshold, you have to make sure that your account is a professional account. This will not work on private accounts because the options are not just there. So this account that I'm showing you right here, it is a professional account, and you can see this by the add tools and insights option. Private accounts don't have this option. So with that being said, let me show you how you can put in a minimum age requirement or restrict age for that matter. So first up, you click on the top right corner, and over here you go to settings, and in settings, if your account is a private account, you will not see this business tab. But since this is a professional account, you're seeing this business tab, and yeah, you have to press on the business tab, and over here, the second last option, you can see the minimum age tab. All you have to do is press on it, and that's it. All you have to do now is set up a minimum age by clicking on add. Let's say I want my content to be restricted to the age of 16, and I click on the tick mark. And that's it. Then the minimum default age has been set, and yeah, you can remove it as well if you want in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure you comment on the video, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.